Hello, everyone, and welcome to Everyday's 15 Sentences. Today, we are going to learn 15 easy sentences in English. The topic for today is the coffee shop. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and relax while learning. Let's begin. Hello, I would like a coffee, please. Hello, I would like a coffee, please. Hello, I would like a coffee, please. I would like a hot latte, please. I would like a hot latte, please. I would like a hot latte, please. I want a muffin, please. I want a muffin, please. I want a muffin, please. I want a piece of chocolate cake. I want a piece of chocolate cake. I want a piece of chocolate cake. Can you warm it up for me, please? Can you warm it up for me, please? Can you warm it up for me, please? How long will my order take? How long will my order take? How long will my order take? Can I get the receipt, please? Can I get the receipt, please? Can I get the receipt, please? The coffee is too hot. Can I have a napkin? The coffee is too hot. Can I have a napkin? The coffee is too hot. Can I have a napkin? Excuse me, can I change my order? Excuse me, can I change my order? Excuse me, can I change my order? Can I get a straw, please? Can I get a straw, please? Can I get a straw, please? I would like a cappuccino without sugar, please. I would like a cappuccino without sugar, please. I would like a cappuccino without sugar, please. Can I have a spoon, please? Can I have a spoon, please? Can I have a spoon, please? Do you accept mobile payment? Do you accept mobile payment? Do you accept mobile payment? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Thank you. Everything looks delicious. Thank you. Everything looks delicious. Have a great day. See you next time. Have a great day. See you next time. Great job. You did amazing today. Repeat them every day to speak more naturally and confidently. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for a new topic and 15 new sentences. See you soon, and keep learning English with me.